Well, this has been an exceptional start to the year this year. We had that huge snow in November. Our lower mountain this year is in prime shape. We're skiing runs right to the valley floor and loving it.
I have never cat skied before, so I'm very excited.
We have a interesting mix of terrain, and I think that's the key, is that we get a good variety, both steep and really mellow runs. We've got good trees with huge pillow drops and really sweet lines for those that are a little more adventurous. Well, we're pretty excited about all the international exposure in the sea to sky region with the games here. I mean, we're totally open, and if they want to get away from all the excitement and the hype around the Olympics, they can come up here and ski some great snow. We'll be checking out the Olympics every night on satellite TV, watching the results, hopefully watching Team Canada do really well this year.
I didn't have any sort of expectations as to how much terrain there was accessible with the cat skiing through the burnt trees. It was really cool, just the way the light came in and still go through the trees and see so far ahead.
This year, with the great coverage we have early season, means that end of March and April is going to be prime, and you get to ski a couple more hours because of the longer daylight.
Cheers to an awesome trip. We'll be back.